Hello and welcome to video number 1 in the fastest way to $1,000 per month online. Now the very first thing that I will say is, although this course is called the fastest way to $1,000 per month, that does not mean that is the most amount of money that you can make by following this course. The reason why I say $1,000 is because this is one of the most popular questions that my customers, subscribers and many people have asked me over the last few years that I've been teaching online. $1,000 seems to be a very meaningful amount of income to make, although it may not be completely life-changing. Okay, $1,000 is still just over $30 per day, and what I found, and this is what I found when I first started out a few years ago, and many other people seem to agree, is although it's only $30 per day, this can really then help you to progress further online, because you can then reinvest that money into other projects and tools and things like that in your business. So you can make far more than $1,000, but what I'm going to take you through in this course is a clear plan on what to do so you don't waste any more time online working on the wrong things, which is just not going to increase your income, okay, and help you to progress, to build your business and to build a good income online. Now what I'm going to show you throughout this course is exactly what I did when I first started out online many years ago. So I'm not going to tell you or show you anything that I haven't done myself, okay. This exact strategy, what I'm going to show you, is exactly what I did back in 2009 when I actually came online in 2008, but when I started to implement the techniques and the things that I'm going to show you in this course, it was around 2009 to 2010. And ever since I started to do this, I could see light at the end of the tunnel, okay. I could really see things starting to work out, and I could really see the bigger picture, and I really saw how I could start to make some really good money online. So I'm not going to tell you or show you anything that I haven't done myself, and this is mainly the reason why I can take you through this training course, is because everything I'm going to tell you and show you is what I've done myself, so I know it works. And also the strategy what I'm going to show you is also what a lot of other online marketers use. This is what they do to actually succeed online as well. The problem is though, most people will just never tell you exactly what they've done or the exact kind of strategy they've used to get where they are. They may tell you that they've done this, they've done that, but they don't always go into detail on exactly the actual things they did, the actual specifics on what they did to actually get there. So it's good for you to know that as well. This is what a lot of other successful marketers do to become successful online. This is the exact kind of formula that they use. Now, so let's make a start. The very first thing I'm going to cover in this video is I'm going to say that the big money is in building a list, okay. You may have heard that before. You may have heard that the money is in list building, and it is, okay. The big money is when you build a list of subscribers and customers of your own, and you can sell your own products and your own services to those subscribers and those customers. However, you cannot always start there. A lot of beginners and a lot of newbies cannot start at that point, although that is where the good money is, okay. That does not mean that you can't earn money elsewhere. All I'm saying is the bigger picture should be you to build a list, okay, and we will get to that stage some other time in this course. But it's important for you to know that the money is in the list, okay. So everything I'm going to take you through this course is going to be building blocks for you to get to that point, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, in order for you to build a list and to sell your own products, you first need some value to give away, okay, to actually sell, because when it comes to building a list, you need to give away some free information, which of course needs to be valuable, and also you need to be able to have value in order to create a product. And so many beginners and so many newbies and people that really haven't got much experience say to me that they haven't got any information to create a product around, they've got no experience, nothing to really sell, you know, nothing to really give away, no value. So this is the problem that, and maybe you face this exact problem, okay? You know the money's in the list, but you can't start at that point, and I completely understand, because I couldn't start at that point either. Now, don't think that you still can't make much money because you don't build a list, because you can, because there is an exact kind of plan to follow, and this is what I did. So that's pretty much the end of video 1. I just wanted to go through some of the things that we're going to cover, and also just touch on the list building side of things, just to kind of explain that is where the money is. However, what I'm going to take you through in this course is what you need to do at the very start. Okay, this is before you even think about building any lists and creating any products and any of that. I'm going to show you how to really jumpstart your progress online, and this is exactly what I did. Remember what I said, this is exactly what many other successful marketers do. You know, thousands and thousands of successful guys online, this is generally how they do it. So that's the end of video 1. We will carry on and go through a different topic in video number 2. I'll talk to you soon.